The last wrongful death lawsuit related to the crash of Continental Airlines Flight 3407 continuing in state Supreme Court. But the judge in the matter now concerned that this trial is taking too long. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley on the story tonight.
When the jury was selected back in mid-September, they were told this trial would last 4 to 6 weeks. But that timetable is almost used up. And that's why Justice Frederick Marshall is now telling attorneys they have to wrap things up. At the start of this morning's proceedings, Justice Marshall told attorneys for the Wilinski family that they have until the end of the week to finish calling plaintiff witnesses. The judge also telling attorneys for Colgan, Pinnacle, and Continental Airlines that he plans to hold them to 1 to 2 weeks for the defense. Marshall is worried that the lengthy trial is now testing the patience and the ability of the jury to serve.
It was always, the passengers of Flight 3407, and then, like Doug's a little afterthought.
The Wilinski family is seeking damages for the death of 61-year-old Doug Wilinski, who was killed when the plane fell on his Clarence Center home. But the lawsuit is also seeking damages for wife Karen and daughter Jill. Both were buried in the crash rubble and barely escaped with their lives.
Their logo was on the piece of plane that my daughter and I first witnessed when we emerged from the rubble.
Every day it's a reminder of the accident, what we went through, and just having to deal with the loss of my dad.
This morning, a friend of Jill Wilinski testified that she constantly worries about her best friend because Jill Wilinski suffers from frequent panic attacks, has lost energy for life, and often breaks down with episodes of intense crying. All the result, the witness said, of memories from the night of February 12, 2009. Ed Riley, 7 Eyewitness.